Here's a quick recording on how to set up the program for today's lab. The first thing you want to do is change this to oscillate, and over here click no end. Then you're going to set your amplitude to 60 by dragging this. Then go ahead and change the frequency all the way down to 15. Set your dampening at 0. Now set the tension to high and check these boxes for rulers and timers. Then you want to drag this horizontal ruler down here till it lines up with the 0, and then you're going to press pause. Once you have done that, now what we're going to start to do is we want to step it through until we get this little green circle to line up with the 0. So just step it through. Once it's lined up, now we can actually see our first wavelength. So in your directions it says with the program paused, you can now step the button to incrementally advance the motion of the wave. This will allow you to measure the wavelength. Step the program forward until the SOD, that is going to be our source of disturbance here, is at an amplitude of 0, the equilibrium position. That's what we just did. You should be able to use the ruler now to measure the length of a full or half wave. You can see here our half wave looks like it is about 53. Then what you are going to do, it says with the program paused and the SOD at equilibrium, reset the timer. Go down here to reset. And then you're going to start the timer and you're going to step it through a full wave. So we need it to get exactly to this position again. So start your timer, step it through, and just keep stepping it all the way through until you have completed a full wave and it looks exactly how it did before. So you can see that we've gone through a full cycle. So on my paper for wavelength, in the chart, I'm going to put 53 centimeters. And for the time, you can see right here, I'm going to put 1.86. The next thing we're going to do is we are going to adjust only our frequency up 5%. So now take it to 20, do the exact same thing. Reset, start timer, step it through. You can see that we've done a full wavelength. So now we can see our half a wave is going to be at 40 and our time is at 1.38. So in your chart for the wavelength, I apologize, this was wrong on the last thing, you want to put the whole wave. So this whole wave would be at 80. The last one we said 53, so the whole wave should be at 106, and you can go from there. So 1.38, 80 for the total wavelength, and move on from there. So again, reset, you're going to adjust your frequency now to 25, and you're going to keep going. You are doing this for 10 trials and recording it on your paper, and then you're going to graph by using the directions on the paper.